This is Mandani Bay Show Gallery. So when you go here to the Philippines, you'll be able to see this entire compound. This is our showroom area. I mean our show gallery. It has the showrooms, it has everything in it. So there you go, there's the logo. And this is the entire property right here. As you can see, your tower is gonna be... So let's go in. So here's the front desk. And this is the waiting area or the lobby. So this is the property, 21 Towers. So you've seen already in the brochures what it's gonna look like. So Tower 1, where your unit is gonna be. This is Tower 1. And here is a bigger scale model of Tower 1 and 2. So this is Mandani Bay Suites. This is Tower 1 over here. Your unit is approximately right over here. So as you can see, you have great views of the surrounding area. And that's what I said, this is the Green Promenade. This is the avenue where it's lined by trees. It's like a whole park. And this is the amenity area. And all of our podiums are connected by footbridges. So, as for the location of Mandani Bay, this is Mactan Island, and these are the two bridges, and this is Mandani Bay right here. So it's very near hospitals. These are hospitals right here. This is a hotel, and then this is a school. It's a major school, and this is a school also, and then there's a lot of malls around. And so this is the gallery, sir. I'm just gonna show you a panoramic view. Okay, let's proceed to the showroom for your unit. This is your unit showroom. So your unit is a 2-bedroom plus. And this showroom specifically is for the O3 units, but it's the same layout. It's just a little bit smaller. This unit is a little bit smaller than yours. Yours is bigger, and as you can see there, you're just gonna reverse that, and that's your unit. So we're gonna enter the showroom. Here's the entrance, and once again, this showroom is a fully furnished unit. So there will be an option for fully furnishing the unit, but if you don't want to do that, then you can just furnish it yourself. But this is what it's gonna look like. So here we enter here, and over to the left is the kitchen. So there it is. So for all the inclusions of your unit, I could send you a separate email for that. And so on the right, this is the reason why it's called a 2-bedroom plus or 2-bedroom deluxe. So this is the the maid's quarters or just the utility area. If you don't want to use it as a maid's quarter, you can even actually use it as a spare bedroom for guests. It's actually quite spacious enough for a guest. So there's the washing machine could be placed here, and this is a bed. There's a bed over here, and it has its own bath and comfort room. So there you go. It even has its own shower right there. So we're gonna proceed. Now we go out. So this is just near the entrance over here. So now we go out over here. This is the dining room. It's right beside the kitchen. This is our countertop, solid surface. And our tiles are going to be homogeneous tiles on the floor. And then laminated flooring on the bedroom. So this is the dining room. And this is the living room. It's very spacious. You could put your television here. So where you're watching television, you're gonna have a great view of the green promenade and the surrounding area right here. So that's gonna be your balcony over there. So imagine there's gonna be like a door over here. So we didn't put a door for the showroom purposes, of course, but there's gonna be a door over there, and this is the view you're gonna get. And so this is the living room. So now we're gonna go to the bedrooms. So there's gonna be a pathway over here for the bedrooms. It's very, very spacious. More than two people could stand beside each other. See right there? Look at my reflection. Here's her. And this is the bathroom for the other people. Like, this is the separate bathroom, not the bathroom for the master bedroom. This is the bathroom for the other bedroom and for the guests. So it's very, very spacious, as you can see. It has a very big shower area. It has very, very nice ceramic tiles. So this is the first bedroom I'm going to show you. This is going to be the bedroom either for your guests or for other family members, for other members that are going to be staying in the 2-bedroom plus unit. So this is very spacious as well. It has its cabinets. It has the bed. There's gonna be. So our units actually have for the air conditioning we have split type, of course, for convenience and for a more fashionable approach. And the condensers are gonna be stored in these small benches along the window. So this enables us to hide the noise, hide the vibrations from condensers. So it's going to be under that, and there's going to be a great view over there. So we're going to go to the master bedroom now. So this is the master bedroom. And it's very, very spacious. It's very big. So there you go. There's going to be a view over there. And you could put whatever you want in this master bedroom. It's going to look amazing. So you have like your own study over here. And we have actually a walk-in closet. And the ladies in your household are going to love this. For your girlfriend, for your mom, for your guests that are women, they're gonna love the walk-in closet. So here it is, and it's gonna lead right to the bathroom. So this is the bathroom right here. It's much more spacious than the other one. It's your own personal bathroom. It's a shower area right there. And there you have it. So this is the entire unit. I'm gonna go back to the entrance for another quick view. Oop, just one more view. There you go. So I hope to see you here in Cebu soon, sir. We're gonna let you check out the showroom personally, as well as the construction update. So this is your unit. Thank you, and thank you for purchasing Mandani Bay, and thank you for trusting us as your provider of choice.